Guys, I'm done for the day. I left your camera on the end of the bar.
Thanks, Bubbles.
I hope you remember to turn it off this time.
Yeah. Don't harsh my happy. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bubbles owes us like $800. You know, I told you, this whole extending bar tabs thing is a bad idea. Hasn't worked with Bubbles, hasn't worked with anybody.
Well, at least he's working it off.
I don't know, this whole interspecies bar thing, it needs some help. I mean, we gotta make more money.
Oh, we need a gimmick.
You've gotta be kidding, right?
Oh, we can hang my tire swing.
Nobody wants a tire swing but you.
Maybe you should serve snacks.
Oh, snacks! What a great idea, snacks!
I cannot believe it! That actually is a good idea. Let's see what's in the fridge.
What?
Okay, there must be a logical explanation for this. That is no way for egg salad to behave!
Okay, I know what to do!
Okay, exterminator. Call the exterminator!
Sorry. Hold the door! Hold the door!
This is no time for a cocktail!
Come on down to Beverage Bar, just off the interstate. Reopening, soon.